Hi guys, and welcome back to the Pretty Natural channel. My name is Kim Kennedy, and today we are going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I saw this challenge on Instagram where Vanessa Gimbia or something like that, she did the challenge, and trust me, when she did the challenge, my anxiety started take me, and I was just so anxious and just so nervous. I really wanted her to finish and complete it and look good, and I really thought it was a fun challenge to do, so I decided that I'm going to be doing one tonight. Now, I've never done my makeup in less than 5 minutes before, so this should be interesting. I've never done this before. I am really nervous. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I really hope that I finish in time and I can show you guys a full face of makeup. I am going to be trying to do a full face of makeup today, so let us see how that is going to work. I'm going to be showing you guys my setup. I'm going to use my phone to film this setup, and I have everything laid out here, so hopefully it is smooth sailing for me. And the timer that I'll be using is a timer on YouTube. So I have a timer, a video up here, a 5-minute timer. So I'm going to be using that to do this challenge. So this is the setup that I was talking about. My mirror, my dirty mirror, all my tools, and my laptop with the timer on it. Remember, if this is your first time seeing my face, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you really like this video, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below so that we can talk the things then. Yeah, so anyways, let us begin. Alright, so I have my hair up because when I'm doing my makeup, I don't like it when my hair is in the way. So I have my hair up in this messy updo bun type of thing, and we are going to begin. I haven't done, wait, you see I'm stalling. I don't have on any makeup whatsoever. I did do my skin prep as usual, and we are going to be starting off this challenge with primer. So I'm basically starting from scratch to see how best I can complete this challenge. Alright, so I think I've stalled enough. Yo, I really hope this come out good, like me, seriously. Like, I am a sore loser and I can't take for lose, so I need to get this done. Alright, so we're going to be starting the timer now. Wait, let's start and go. Alright, this is primer. Right, foundation, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Alright, I'm starting off with foundation because I really wanted like a solid base to kind of get my skin kind of even. Alright, so we're blending that all in. Oh, something just went in my eye. The devil is a lie. minutes on the clock. I think I'm doing good. Nope, no nose contour. Alright, flip the sponge. Blending. Blending. I just remembered that I did not take out the brush. Shit. My Anna hurt me. My Anna hurt me. And literally hurt me. Never take out the brush for do my contour. Oh my gosh, my hand. Oh my gosh. 2 minutes. 2 minutes already? Shit. Oh, we are good. We are no. We still are waiting. Oh. Then take out the brush to do my contour. As soon as it like 1 minute, I have to go. Not sure if this is the brush to do it. As it like 1 minute, so I have to start my eyebrow them and my eyes. Powder. My hand hurt me. I should have do some hand exercises. Oh shit is getting real. We are going to be using this to kind of do our brows because it's easier. Get some concealer. I think I'm making good time, to be honest. I think I am. I think I'm making good time. Is it less than a minute left? Shit. Blush 40. Alright, blush me. Highlight me. Don't friggin' play. And then give me a good mascara. What's my mascara there? Listen. Spray me. Yes! Fine. Alright. This is what my face is looking like after this is what my face is looking like after the 5-minute challenge. The only thing I didn't think that I got a chance to do was the lip, and I'm just gonna do that now because for the sake of this video we don't want to ashy lips. So yeah, I barely had time to put on my mascara. My eyebrows look messed up, but for the most part I look presentable. I look like somebody. I look like this is just me. Oh, let me let down my hair. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think that I did a pretty good job, or if you have seen this challenge done by others and they have done a better job than me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Anyways, I had fun doing this challenge, and hopefully I can incorporate some more challenges in the future on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you're not subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss future uploads from me. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below so that we can chat, talk the things them, and do our thing in the comment section down below. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.